Hello, and welcome back to our Spring Boot setup tutorial. Before we begin configuring our new Spring Boot project using the Spring Initializer, let's briefly understand what Spring Initializer is. Spring Initializer, a web-based tool from the Spring team, simplifies creating a basic project structure for Spring applications. It's essential for quickly setting up Spring Boot projects, providing all the necessary dependencies and a standard project structure. To use it, visit the official Spring Initializer website.
First, we have the project setup. You'll see two main build tools here, Maven and Gradle. Both are excellent choices, but they have some differences. Maven is the older of the two and uses an XML file for its configuration. It's widely adopted and has a massive repository of libraries and plugins. If you appreciate a more declarative style of defining your project structure and dependencies, Maven is the way to go. Gradle, on the other hand, is a bit newer and uses Groovy or Kotlin for its build scripts. This gives you a lot of power and flexibility, making it easier to write custom logic for your build. It's also known for its performance advantages over Maven. For language, we're going to stick with Java, as it's one of the most common languages for Spring Boot applications and the one we've been focusing on. Moving on to Spring Boot version, unless you have a specific reason to do otherwise, it's generally best to go with the stable release, which is currently 3.20. Avoid snapshot versions for production, as they can have unstable features. Under project metadata, you'll input details that describe your project. The group is usually your company's domain in reverse, like com. Example, and the artifact is your project's name, here it's no. This will also be the name of your jar file when you build the project. For packaging, if you're unsure, choose jar. Jar packaging is more straightforward and is typically suitable for microservices or simpler applications. After filling out this information, you're ready to click Generate, which will download a zip file containing your project.
And that's it. You've now configured your Spring Boot project setup. In the next lesson, we'll dive into writing some actual code.